What is currency war? We saw in the previous video that China deliberately weakens its own currency to boost its exports. But when other countries start doing the same thing to keep their exports competitive, it is called as a currency war. The term was coined in 2010 by Brazil's finance minister Guido Mantega while describing the competition between USA and China to cheapen their currencies. Now China can deliberately devalue its currency, but countries like USA and India have a floating exchange rate. So how can they weaken their currency? It's simple, just use the expansionary monetary and fiscal policies. To know exactly how this works, I would recommend you to watch this video on monetary policy instruments. But I'll try to explain this to you in short. An expansionary monetary policy is when RBI reduces the policy rates and uses other monetary policy instruments like open market operations to give away cheaper loans. And when loans are available at lower interest rates, the money supply in the market increases. When money supply increases, inflation rises. And we know that inflation is nothing but loss of purchasing power of money. So this is how rupee's value can be weakened. But what's the benefit of all this? If rupee weakens against other foreign currencies, then our exports become cheaper in those countries. This will boost our manufacturing and services sector. USA did this by using a policy called Quantitative Easing. You can watch the video on Quantitative Easing here. Now government can also use fiscal policy to weaken its currency. How? Just increase the budget spendings, cut taxes, so that people have more money in their hands. This increased supply of money will have the same effect, that is, it will cause inflation and decrease the value of rupee. But all this will only work if India has an entire ecosystem ready to export large quantities of goods and services. Otherwise, a weak rupee also means that our imports will be costlier. So India has to be self-reliant before taking such drastic measures. Otherwise, such moves will make more damage than good.